Hello, friends. Here's my alphabet. Let's learn it together. Where gone the letters? Let's find them. We learn writing letter H. 1 line, 2 line, and 3 line.
Yeah!
Wow!
Letter H. H is for house. H. Let's write letter T. 1 line, 2 line. Letter T. T is for tree. T. S. Only drawing 1 line.
Wow!
Letter S. S is for sun. S. U. Letter U. U is for umbrella. U. Hello. Drawing 2 lines.
Yes!
Letter V. V is for van. V. Letter J. J is for juice. J. Letter L. L is for letter. L. Drawing 2 lines. Letter K. K is for kite. K. One line, 2 line, and 3 line.
Wow!
Letter A. A is for apple. A. Letter I. I is for ice cream. I. One line, 2 line, and 3 line. I found letter M. M is for moon. One line, 2 line. Letter D. D is for duck. D. C. Letter C. C is for car. C.
Hey!
B write 1 line and 2 line. Letter B. B is for ball. B. One line, two line. Letter X. X is for xylophone. X. One, two, three, four. Letter W. W is for watch. W. Letter N. N is for nest. N. Letter O. O is for orange. O. One line, two line. Letter P. P is for pumpkin. P. One line, two line, and three line. Letter R. R is for rose. R. One circle and one line. Q. Q is for quill. Q. One line, two line, and three line.
Wow!
Letter E. E is for elephant. E. Letter G. G is for gift. G. Letter F. F is for fish. F. Letter Y. Y is for yacht. Letter Z. Z is for zebra. Oh, friends, we learn and write all alphabet letters with these cards. See you next videos!